Guys, we're cleaning the Bali Blue Mountain ceiling fan that's been here for about a year, well, 2 years actually. The blades haven't been cleaned in either 2 years or a year. Yeah, the blades haven't been cleaned in a long time. The blade brackets are out of alignment. I'm not gonna try and fix that because after the spiral fail, so I'm talking like this, the captions really don't know what I'm saying. The tape on the fan left a stain on this side of the blades, so I decided to reverse them. And when reversing them, I noticed it has a much better finish than this modern looking, has an old style looking finish. That's what I like. Here's the fan. Some people who've probably never ever seen a fan like this want me to turn it on, and I'll do that. It still buzzes even without the blades. Yeah, it's out of alignment. That explains why. So I just turned it off. Yeah, that's the fan running off just its out of alignment brackets. You can't see it on camera, but the brackets are out of alignment. Anyway, this was Builderman. Thanks for watching.